Great job. The next sound. What picture do we have there?
House.
That's an house. Can we see the letter sound, please? Okay, well done.
Iron.
That's an iron. What's the first sound?
A.
Are you sure it's A? It has the first sound of
E.
So the first sound for iron is
E.
Is that E?
E.
Can you please look for E? E. 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 How do you write E? Well done. So the next picture is a what?
Jam.
Are you sure it's a jam?
Water.
It's a what? Jug.
Jam.
You said the jam. Where do we spread the jam?
Bread.
So where do we spread the jam?
In the bread.
In a bread. But this jug, we usually put our what? Water or juice in it. So what's the first sound for jug?
Kite.
What's the first sound for jug?
J.
Great job. J. So the next picture is a what?
Kite.
That's a kite. Great job.
Kite.
I'm going to buy something nice for Fauzan. If only you are able to complete it. So the first sound for kite is
A lion. K.
K. So this is the kicking K, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's continue.
A lion.
That's a lion. What's the first sound for lion?
A.
Lion. What's L sounds? So what's the first sound for lion? Great. Oh. Great job. Match it with it. Oh. So let's continue.
Rabbit.
Great job. The first sound for rabbit is Okay, well done.
Rabbit.
The next picture is nose. What's the first sound for nose? So look for Yeah.